Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about Python programming. If you are the first time visiting my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and like the videos. In this video that I'm going to talk about Python programming and its various applications. The first thing that we need to know is what is Python, and then what is its application in real life. So Python is a programming language used to create different software systems, and even we can use to implement web pages in server side and in mathematics to solve the bigger problems or the complex problems that arise in the context. And Python programming was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. The first release of Python programming was released in 1991, and it is used in different sectors like in web development as in server side to create the different web pages or product databases to access the data from the server to the client, and in software applications or software development to develop the different software that can solve the real life problems. Even in mathematics, we can use in mathematics to solve the complex problems because the Python is easier one to learn and code. And even we can use in system scripting to script system. And what Python can do, you know, nowadays the data science is the main trend in the world. So the Python programming is used in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and so on. So Python has a more advantages when compared to other programming language because it's very easy to learn for even beginners. So before going to learn how to code in Python, we need to know about this Python, what is Python and what are the various applications in Python programming. Like machine learning. To learn machine learning, if you know Python, then it's easy for you guys. And if you don't know Python, just follow these videos, then you will get to know about Python programming language. And before going to start our programming concept, that these are the things that I wanna explain here. If you wanna learn more, then just type on Google python.org and you get there more details about Python programming. So you can learn through internet by searching a web browser. Just type Python programming and you will get different materials or different sites to learn Python programming. So guys, I think you get to know what is Python programming and its application. Now if you know these things, then you are ready to learn Python code and how to code in Python programming. So there are various steps to be followed and various ways to code Python programming. So I'm gonna teach you the one way that I follow because it is very easy to learn for a beginners. So I will show those steps in the next video. Thank you guys.